Everybody's talking about this cowboy casserole being some viral recipe. So let me show you how to make it. All right, let's do this. So I'm gonna add some onion and hamburger or ground beef, whatever you call it. And I will saute until it's done. When I freeze my hamburger, I usually freeze it flat so it won't take up that much room in the freezer. All right, now I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic, some pepper, a can of kerneled corn drained, about 3/4 of a cup of black beans, and I did mash them a little bit, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Should have got a bigger pan maybe. I'm going to give that a stir. I don't know if I really like black beans. I think I do. I guess we'll find out. Oh shit. Clean that up later. All right, now I'm just going to let it simmer for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to add half of this cheese. It's about 3/4 of a cup. I'm going to add to the pan, and I'll add the other half over top of the casserole. Just let that melt through. I'm adding a 1/2 cup of almond milk. And a 1/2 cup of fat-free Greek yogurt. And I'll stir that through. Hopefully I don't make another mess. Yeah, so I would use a bigger pan if I were you, because there's a lot of food here. All right, I'll just let it heat through. You know, when I was looking at the recipe, it didn't say anything about spices. So you know what, I'm just going to add some salt and some of this Tex-Mex. It's just a blend of all different kinds of spices. I feel like it needs some spice. It might be a little bland without. Okay, we'll add more later if we need to. Stir that in. Okay, I'm going to take this over and dump it into a greased casserole dish. So we'll move over to the counter. Okay, let's add this to the casserole. I did spray the dish. So make sure it's all smoothed out. So you can put the tater tots on top. Now you just put all your tater tots on. And in any specific order. Perfect. I'm going to add some more cheese on top of this. I probably won't use this whole bowl because it's a lot of cheese. This actually does look really good. Okay, we're going to bake this at about a 375 oven for about 20 minutes. And then I will show you the end result. By the way, I used this for shredding my cheese like always. I use it in all my videos and it's amazing. It has 2 different attachments. So you take this off. And this is just for your fingers so you don't get your fingers all cut up. You put the cheese in here and you use this, it pops in and out. And I use this blade for cheese and I have another one that I use for vegetables and I love it. It works amazing and it's very easy to clean. So if you want to pick one up, the link is in the description below. And we will be back. Oh, look at this, you guys. So crispy and cheesy. Let's have a taste. Oh my gosh. Now I know why it went viral. This is delicious. And it is so easy to make. If you guys make it, you're going to have to let me know how much you love it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.